The coffee shop lines snaked around the block, buzzing with tired workers craving their fix. Karen, purse swinging like a weapon, stormed forward, shoving a young man aside. His coffee cup hit the pavement, splashing everyone nearby. "Move it!" she barked, elbowing a mother holding a toddler. Gasps erupted. Karen sneered, cutting to the front, demanding service. The barista froze, stunned. Suddenly, a quiet elderly woman in line spoke up, voice trembling but firm. "I recorded everything." The crowd turned. She held her phone, video rolling. Karen's face paled. The twist hit hard. Her tantrum was viral bound. Customers roared, chanting for justice. Karen swung her purse, knocking over a display of mugs, shards flying. The chaos drew police who pushed through the crowd. "You're done," an officer said, cuffing her. Karen screamed, hair wild, as they dragged her out, her entitlement crumbling. The elderly woman smiled softly, pocketing her phone. The line clapped, united. Karen's rage had sparked her downfall, her public shaming a bitter pill. Justice stung sharp, and the crowd's cheers echoed as she vanished into the patrol car, her legacy a warning. Karma cuts deeper than any line.